sometimes he come here my boss
เขาอยู่ที่ไหน
เขาอยู่ขอนแก่น
เขาไม่ได้มาทำงานที่นี่
เขาไม่ได้อยู่นี้นี่ไอดูแลไอเทคแคร์แล้วก็ทีมเทคแคร์ไอคัมearly alon open ดูเทคแคร์
and you close too.
Yeah I go soon
Long hours you
long
got.
แล้ว long day stay here
You're not tired?
no I not tired I enjoy here
Oh,
here I 1 week I one more day off
วัน
yeah
วันวีควันไทม์เดย์ออฟ
day off
one day every
Yes.
week. Oh, when day off?
I don't know but I don't need day off
You don't need.
I say I come here every day
You like to work.
because
Yeah.
she want the money
yeah I make money I say my room alone lonely I don't need โน้อยู่ห้องคนเดียวเหงา
she live alone in room she don't want live alone in room she like working
You got baby.
many people
ฮะ
Baby,
maybe I have one girl
girl.
Yeah.
How old?
10 year
see everybody have baby I never I love
Hey,
it
baby. So how old are you?
me 45
45.
yes
Young-
45แล้ว
Young lady, you.
oh no แล้ว
45.
yeah.
In Thailand, that's old, yeah.
no I old แล้ว
Vietnam.
เวียดนามโอแล้วนี่ก็โอแล้ว
That's old.
yeah
Oh, 45. Oh. How long you work here?
I work here before I work here so I finish long time now I come back working 2 months here
months.
yeah
Oh. That's your bed.
and it's so far
This is your bed.
yeah so far farก็จะไป inside thinking
No.
นี่like
No pillow.
ไอโฟน16 e ก็แบบเผื่อไปถึง
That's okay.
yes you can see
หรือชิป A18
And when you take shower?
ได้ตลอดวัน
no I shower in my room
ไอโฟน16
sometimes
ไอโฟนใหม่ล่าสุดในราคา
Where's your room? I thought you said this is your room.
yeah sometimes I take not go home I see I working here I see for drinking take care in the shop I come to go home too late I don't want come to my room I sleep here yeah I sleep
Oh,
here
so where's your room?
next fast Queen Salikik near
What name of hotel?
one name hotel I know hotel I face a more room I have one friend no food air really hot no big money for rent hotel
How much you pay for room?
2,500 baht
A month.
2,500 baht
For how long?
for 1 month
1 month.
yeah
2000.
we can save money
Yeah.
yeah take care baby
Your baby.
yeah study now
What about your mama and papa?
It's to Vietnam. It's to Vietnam. Mama, Papa, my sister, brother, it's to Vietnam. My
Oh.
family is to Vietnam.
They all Vietnam.
Yes, I come to Thailand alone. I made to money to work.
You give money to
Yeah, Vietnam.
Vietnam.
No pay alone.
Your daughter
Yeah,
live Vietnam?
yeah,
Only you over here.
yeah.
Oh,
I
lonesome, huh?
alone.
Alone.
Stay here.
Oh, you lonesome.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, I
Yeah,
see
về
you.
cùng này nó.
Yeah. I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
Made in Thailand.